In relation to your percentage subject knowledge, it is a good starting point to identify what you need to know in order to teach the primary curriculum. Percentages only appear within the statutory requirements of Upper Key Stage 2. For Year 5, to recognise the percent symbol and understand that percent relates to number of parts per 100, and write percentages as a fraction with denominator 100 and as a decimal. For Year 6, this is to solve problems involving the calculation of percentages and then use percentages for comparison. Percent means out of 100, so each percentage is in relation to 100 being a whole. For example, 50% means 50 out of 100, which we understand as a half. Here we can see a clear link between fractions, percentage and decimals. If a child scores 28 out of 40 on a test, we would want to work this out as a percentage. To do this, we would make the denominator equal 100. To do this, we would multiply 40 by 2.5. We then do the same to the top, which is 28, which would get us an answer of 70. The percentage would be 70 out of 100, which makes 70%. Another way of working this out is to simplify 28 over 40 into 7 over 10. To do this, we would divide both sides of the fraction by 4. This would give us 7 over 10, which we could then simplify to 70%. If you have access to a calculator, you could divide 28 by 40 and times this by 100. This would give you the same answer of 70%. A top is originally priced at £40. In a sale, this is reduced by 30%. To work this out, we would first find 10% of 40. We would divide 40 by 10 to give us an answer of £4. We would then times the £4 by 3 to give us 30%, which is £12. We would then need to take the £12 away from the original £40 to give us the reduced sale price of £28. Another item has a reduced sale price of £31.50. This has been reduced by 30%. To find the original price, we would identify that £31.50 is 70% of the original price. We would then divide the £31.50 by 70 to find 1%. This gives us an answer of 0.45. We would then multiply this by 100 to find the original sale price, which is £45.